Hey everybody, and welcome. Let me introduce you to the Hideaway. Now when you arrive, most likely the gate will be closed, but it's not hard at all to open it. You simply push on it. And up here by the tree is a little spot to latch it in. That way it doesn't fall back on you. And while we're at the gate, also at the entrance is where the trash can is. Now, the trash can is a critter-resistant trash can, meaning that you have to open it with a little bit of technique, so that way it keeps the raccoons and things like that away from the trash and keeps it from scattering it all over the yard. Let me show you how to get this guy open. Now to open it, all you have to do is take your finger, plop it in the hole. There's a little latch in here. You'll pull it back and it opens right up. This way you can get rid of last night's dinner. Now by the gate, which is right over there, they have a small little garden patch here in case you have a little case of the munchies. As you see, there's all kinds of little herbs and seasonings growing in this little guy. And then behind it is a nice big front yard to look around in. Here's where you can come out and grab yourself a picnic and just enjoy the sunshine. Now when you get to the house, there's two areas to park in. There's two spots right here. Rusty Dusty is of course taking up one of them at the moment, but he won't be there when you get here. And then there's two or three more further down. Let me take you to them. You've got two more spots here plus another behind me. Now, since we're heading this direction, let me go ahead and show you the gazebo and the fire pit. Now here we are inside of the gazebo. We've got a little bar set up for when you're barbecuing. You can bring it in here to keep the flies off thanks to the screens. And of course a nice set of comfy chairs where you can just watch the sunset. And of course, make sure you don't feed the bears, even if they do want you to trust them. Because this is well off the beaten track, they also have a generator here in case inclement weather or storms or something knocks out the power. Give it 30 seconds, this guy starts up, and boom, you'll be right back to like nothing's going on. Now, as you can see, down from the house, they have this whole area set up for a nice afternoon campfire. But don't forget the marshmallows. You've got to have those, it's a requirement. Now they do have a few chairs down here, but if you've got a big crowd, you may want to bring some with you. Now the cabin is equipped with 3 different fire extinguishers, the first one being right here next to the fire pit. Let me show you where the next one is on the porch. Now the second fire extinguisher is located on the front porch here. The third one is located inside the house. They also have a really nice grill set up here, so don't forget to bring your charcoal. That way you can cook the best dinner of your life. There are 2 storage buildings on the property. Unfortunately, this is for the owners to store equipment for maintenance and taking care of the place, so that means that you won't be able to park your helicopter inside. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to leave that one at home. So let's go to the front door to see if we can get you inside the place now. Now once you get on the porch, right here is where the keypad is located. This way, we can get in the house. So come on, let's go see what's inside. Now, I hope you've enjoyed your tour of the Hideaway. As we leave, I'm going to show you actually the way in. To get to the house, it's about a mile off the main road. So we're going to bring you in through the whole one-lane road. So that way you're kind of prepared for the drive in. And again, I hope you enjoy your stay here at the Hideaway.